What's going on, y'all? This is Q Ortiz, your local San Diego massage therapist, musician, and artist. And today I wanted to go through just sort of an idea demonstration tutorial of using the looper. Now, I have this RC30 dual track looper, so you have two separate tracks. You can do a drum track on one, you can do melodic ideas on the second track and separate them. This is volume, it's a slider. So these two pedals here, you press one to stop it or one to record it. You could press it again to stop that loop, and you could add more layers onto it and then press it again to stop recording completely. So I'll press it once to record a beat, press it again to completely stop recording, because if I just press it to record, then I stop that, it'll keep recording. So basically I'll need to press it 3 times, but don't worry so much about that. And then this one here will stop everything. That stops the tracks. So I already have a musical idea I've been playing around with, and hopefully we can get it out to you smoothly, just as an idea. So we have the 2, 3. So I just stopped the recording completely, and I want to say timing is very important with the looper. You want it to be able to just come right on that one to keep you going, and this lays down your foundation. So once you have the foundation laid, I can double this up. So it's a little stronger. If I want to turn up the mic, because I'm going to add some shaker, so we could do something like this. Add that shaker up in there. Okay. Now add a little bit of the I'm gonna add another one of those. Now I'm feeling it. Okay. Alright, so I'll pick up the guitar. I just switched the track to 2. We'll record that. Hold up. that right here. I'm gonna do that over. So with this going on, you have something to work with. Just an idea, musical idea. You kind of all right. So there we made a loop. We started with the beat, that, and then just made it rich. So focusing on having a nice beat, just something foundational. Then we added simple bass notes because I knew I had a riff, and if I would have gotten more complicated with the bass notes, those root notes, it would have muddled it a bit. So we did the little simple bass notes, got our riff going, and then we were able to just play around, just explore. So this can be a tool of exploration. Now, I would probably get way more crazy and just kind of experiment and look all around the guitar without you here, but I just didn't want to have a bunch of just I guess like mistakes or things that might sound off. It was more to just give you the idea, get you the sense of this tool. The looper can be a tool of, one, exercising your timing, exercising your rhythm, just getting a sense of the feel. Just can you get into that groove, and then adding in the melody, adding in the more bass, adding in a riff, and then sort of improvising on top of that, discovering chords, finding out what chords go better on top of it. There's a range of possibilities that you can explore when you have a tool like this. So hopefully you have some ideas just from viewing this demonstration, and I look forward to seeing what you got. Alright, well, if you like this video, click like. If you have any comments or any questions, drop a comment below. And if you want to continue on this journey with me, click subscribe and we can vibe. Peace out.